Let's study how to derive basic gates using universal NOR gate. As we know, we can derive basic gates using NAND and NOR gate. That's why these two gates are called universal gates. Which are the basic gates? NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate are the basic gates. Now, first we'll derive NOT gate using NOR gate. So, NOT gate using NOR gate. So, this is the symbol of NOR gate. And we want to derive basic gate, that is NOT gate. So as we know, the NOT gate having only one input and one output. So we have to short this input and gate one input and one output. In this way we can derive a NOT gate using this NOR gate. Now we'll derive OR gate using NOR gate. So as we know, this is the symbol of OR gate. And what is the Boolean equation of OR gate? Y is equal to A plus B bar. This is the Boolean equation of NOR gate. Now what we have to do? We have to cancel out this bar. Cancel out this bar means this complement we have to cancel. So how we can cancel the complement? As we took another complement with that. So this complement and complement cancel each other and we got a normal gate, that is A plus B. And this is the Boolean equation of OR gate. So what we have to do? We have to use this NOR gate, and with that NOR gate we have to use this NOT gate using NOR gate. So this is the NOR gate using NOR gate. So first this is NOR gate and this is the NOT gate using NOR gate. So as we connect NOR gate with a NOT gate, we got the diagram of OR gate using NOR gate. Now we have to draw the diagram of AND gate using NAND gate. AND using NOR gate. But we can't draw the diagram of AND using NOR directly. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to draw a diagram of OR gate using NOR gate. Then we have to do AND gate using NOR gate. But we can't draw the diagram directly. So what we have to do? We have to use the De Morgan's theorem. So what is the De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem states that the NAND gate is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. So NAND gate is equivalent to what? Bubbled OR gate. Okay. So this is the symbol of NAND gate, and it is equivalent to what? It is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. So this is the diagram of bubbled OR gate. Now what we have to do? We have to draw this diagram using NOR gate. So here we are using bubble and this is also a bubble. Now bubble means what? Bubble means a NOT gate. So we have to use this NOT gate. So here we are using one NOT gate, another NOT gate, and with this two NOT gate we have to use OR gate. So we have the diagram of OR gate also. Now we have to use this NOT gate two times and one OR gate. Then we can draw the diagram of this bubble OR gate, which is equivalent to what? Which is equivalent to this NAND gate. So this is bubble. Now this is the OR gate. NOR gate using NOR gate. Now this is the NOR gate using NOR gate. Now, so the two bubbles we got. Now we want this OR gate. So this is the diagram of OR gate. So I am drawing the diagram of OR gate. Okay, so this much is the diagram of OR. Here this is the bubble means NOT gate, NOT gate. Now here this is the OR gate, and we have this diagram of OR gate. So we connect this diagram of OR gate with this two bubble gate. Now we got the whole diagram is of what? The whole diagram is of bubble OR gate. And according to De Morgan's theorem, this bubble OR gate is equivalent to what? This bubble OR gate is equivalent to this NAND gate. So means this is the diagram of what? NAND gate. So in this way we got the diagram of NAND gate. Now what we have to derive? We have to derive the basic gates. So which are the basic gates? NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate are the basic gates. So we got the diagram of NOT gate, we got the diagram of OR gate. What we want? We want the diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. So now this is the diagram of NAND gate, and with this NAND gate we can draw the diagram of AND gate. Now here this is the diagram of NAND gate. So with this NAND gate, what is the Boolean equation of NAND gate? A dot B bar. This is the equation of NAND gate. Now what we want? We want the AND gate. So here y is equal to A dot B double complement. Double complement means what? This complement and complement will cancel each other, and what we get? We will get here A dot B. And what is this A dot B? This A dot B is the equation of AND gate. Means with this gate we have to use one NOT gate. Then what happens? This NOT gate and NOT gate will cancel each other, and this is the diagram of NAND gate. If we connect a NOT gate to this, then the complement will cancel each other, and what we got? We will got here only the diagram of AND gate. Okay, so we'll draw the diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. So for that purpose we are using this diagram. We are drawing AND gate using NOR gate. So here we want one NOT gate with another NOT gate. To this we have to connect one OR gate. So this is again a OR gate. NOT gate using NOR gate. To cancel the complement, we want here one NOT gate again using this NOR gate. So see, this is the diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. But here, as we are connecting two NOT gate in series, what happens? This NOT gate and this NOT gate will cancel each other. So they both will cancel each other, and what we get? We got this much of diagram. So here we got, this is one OR gate, NOR gate with NOT gate we using NOR gate, then another NOT gate using NOR gate, then one NOR gate. So this is the diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. In this way we derive the basic gates using universal NOR gate. Basic gates are NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. So in this way we derive these basic gates using NOR gate. We can't derive AND gate directly from this NOR gate, so we are using the De Morgan's theorem. In De Morgan's theorem, what it states? NAND gate is equivalent to what? NAND gate is equivalent to bubble OR gate. That's why this is the NAND gate is equivalent to bubble OR gate. So we draw the diagram of bubble OR gate using NOR gate. Now we got the diagram of NAND gate. This is the diagram of NAND gate. So as we know the Boolean equation of NAND gate, to cancel the bar over there, that is the complement, we are using one NOT gate with that. So we took this diagram of NAND gate, and with that diagram, to cancel this complement means NOT gate, we are connecting one NOT gate to that. So this NOT gate will cancel each other, means the complement is got cancelled, and if the complement will got cancelled, we got what? We got AND gate using this NOR gate. So finally we got the basic gates using the universal NOR gate.